If your children insist on chocolate cupcake, then try this amazing recipe. This is one of the best eggless chocolate cupcake recipe. They turn out so delicious, guys. Trust me. Make it and do let me know in the comments below. And if you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family members. And make sure you subscribe my channel, hit the bell and click all. You can also follow me on Insta and Facebook. All the links are in the description box. Now let's jump to the recipe. The first thing is curdling the milk. Here I have 1 cup milk. Into that I am adding vinegar. You can also use lemon juice. Now stir it and keep it aside. Now let's assemble the dry ingredients. In a bowl, take all-purpose flour or maida. Into that add cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and this is instant coffee powder. When we make chocolate cake, the coffee powder gives a very rich taste to the cake. A pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. Now sieve everything. And our dry ingredients are ready. Now let's move to the wet ingredient. Now take another bowl. Into that take any flavorless oil. Here I am using canola oil, but you can also use sunflower oil. Into that I am adding powdered sugar to make the dissolving procedure fast. Now mix these two things for few seconds. Then add yogurt. This is regular homemade yogurt. Now give it a good mix until everything gets well combined. Now add vanilla and mix it. So our wet ingredients are ready. Now let's assemble everything. Now gradually mix dry ingredient and milk and keep mixing. Add little at a time to prevent the lumps. And our cupcake batter is ready. Now take cupcake mold and place the cupcake liners of your choice. Now pour the batter around 3/4 of the mold so that it will have room to rise in oven. Now pop them into the preheated oven at 180 degree for around 25 minutes, but make sure you check in between because every oven is different. Basically, if you insert a toothpick in the middle of the cupcake and it comes out clear, that means your cupcakes are ready. Our cupcakes are out of the oven and they look so delicious and the aroma is so wonderful here. Now I am bringing them onto the board and let them cool down completely. Meanwhile, we will prepare our homemade chocolate buttercream. To make chocolate buttercream, in a bowl take butter. This one is salted one, but you can also use unsalted butter. In that case, add a pinch of salt to adjust the sweetness. Now add icing sugar, cocoa powder. Now first incorporate them with spatula, otherwise they will fly all over on your kitchen counter when you start whisking them. Now whisk everything. Add vanilla. Now if you feel the frosting is hard, then you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. Now scrape the side and keep whisking until you get this type of silky smooth buttercream. Yum! So our buttercream is ready. Now let's move to the next procedure. I have filled the buttercream in a piping bag with star nozzle attached and let's go. Top it up with sprinkles of your choice. And our cupcakes are ready. They look so inviting. Now let me show you the texture. Though they are eggless, they are spongy, soft Intensely chocolatey, yum! Must try for your kids. Try this and do let me know in the comments how they turn out. And if you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon with another delicious recipe next week. Till then, bye!